Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 24th, 2020, and I wanted to show you, this is one of my little finger eggplants that I grew it last year from seed, brought it out to the greenhouse when the greenhouse was done, and I transplanted it into a pretty good sized container here. And it's been growing in the greenhouse ever since. And I seen where it is blooming, so I've been hand pollinating it. You can see it has more blossoms on it here. So hopefully pretty soon I'll have some eggplants to be able to eat in January. Now the rosabianca and the pink tongue, and I also have an aswad eggplant in the greenhouse, those are not blooming yet. They are regrowing back out, and I am going to do a little trimming on them. Hold on a moment. So this one here is the pink tongue one here. You can see it lost a lot of its leaves. Now this one is in the back part of the greenhouse where the heat runs along the perimeter of the greenhouse for half of the greenhouse, and then the other half has radiant heat in the floor. So that red pipe back there that you see in the video there, that's where the heat runs through. So this one here is the pink tongue one. I'm going to trim it back some. I do see where the rosabianca is starting to get some blossoms on it, so I'm not sure what that one there is going to do. I'm going to have to watch it and see. But I turned the fan off so you can hear the video, because that's kind of noisy with the fan running. But I'm just going to probably trim this one here down, get it a little bushier. I don't want it to get top heavy. So you can see it's growing new growth out here. So if these take the pollination and they start giving fruits, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now, I did plant my little seedlings for my eggplants because I was really impressed with growing them in the greenhouse. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to keep them now as a greenhouse crop. So I'll show you my little seedlings then that I have growing so far from my eggplants. And you can see these are my little eggplant seedlings that I have so far. There's another one back here, and then I have another one just germinated. I'm still waiting for my pink tongue eggplants to germinate. This is the aswad, matoya, and matoya is back there. And then my little fingers eggplant is just starting to germinate, and then I'm waiting for the pink tongue ones. So these were started January the 3rd here, and they're just starting to get their true leaves, so I am going to start feeding them then. So as these continue to grow, and if the plants up there start giving the fruit on them, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you, and I'll bring you along for harvesting day. And you can check out my videos on my channel for growing eggplants. I did playlists on there, and I have a lot of information in the playlist on how to start my seeds. If you want to start them indoors under lights, I have videos on there for that as well. I have different seed germination tips and how and what I feed my seedlings, and all different kinds of stuff on there. So you can check those out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!